Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So what I'm making here is some Zatarains. My first time making it. It's the Zatarain's cornbread. This is what it looks like. Now the Jiffy is 8.5 ounces and this is 12.5. So all you do to this, you add 1 egg, 6 ounces of melted butter, 1/2 cup of milk, and it's actually honey butter cornbread mix. So we're going to mix this together. Mix it until there's no lumps. Then we're going to add it into our cast iron skillet. Alright now, so remember I told y'all you get your corn, you get your grease hot, and you pour a little bit in there. You hear a little sizzle. So you're going to pour it back in there. I tell you, it's thick. It's almost like the consistency of this batter is like pancakes. And it's honey butter cornbread mix. Okay, we're going to bake this according to the directions on the back. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
I would recommend using 4 sticks of butter, reducing the number of oil when baking this cornbread.
And Zatarain's cornbread, y'all. It's the honey butter Zatarain's cornbread. This is what it looks like. And I have to come back and let y'all know how it tastes. I've never fixed it before and I've never tasted it. Alright, yeah.